So what you want to do is don't get the lens all foggy. Um, but you get yourself about a gram of bud. You throw yourself some coconut oil in there. Some people do it with butter, but I'm drinking tea, and so I use coconut oil because the THC bonds to the fatty substance because THC is not water soluble and such. So yeah, and actually throw a little bit of vodka in with the mix too, just to help extract it, and yeah, let it go for about 30 minutes, and see that little bag, right there. That's from yesterday, but I don't trust dispensaries and their medibles and stuff, especially here in New Mexico, because everyone's a freaking cheat out here, and there is no quality control. So I just make my tea like this, and I'm working on the method so far. Like this is gonna be, I'll let you know how this comes out because I only used a gram, and really, I mean that should be about 2 doses right there. But yeah, man. And yeah, you throw in a little bit of vodka because alcohol is a solution in which dissolves things. It's a geez, why can't I not think? Um, well, it's like water. Water's universal soluble and whatnot. So, all right, take care, be safe, be kind, stay strong, and drink your tea, motherfuckers.